Microwave apple mug cake. Add diced apple in the mug. So if you're doing a healthier version, add sweetener. If not, add sugar, cinnamon. Mix. I'll have the recipe for you guys in the description below. Microwave for 30 seconds. After that, add butter, milk, vanilla extract. If you're using sugar, you add sugar. I'm using sweetener. I'm using almond flour, coconut flour, or if you guys are using all-purpose flour, just use the same measurement. Baking soda, mix. Okay, we're going to microwave for 1 minute. This is how it looks. It tastes so good. Try it. Leave a comment if you like the recipe.